And I want to acknowledge that this stuff is really, really hard to talk about for so many reasons. Those of you in this room were brave enough to come to the talk, and maybe you got conscripted by a professor and got some extra credit or whatever, but you came, and a lot of people do not. I think it's healthy to acknowledge this is hard. It is hard for everyone, and what's hard for one person is different from what is hard for another. A lot of white folk are having a hard time because they're scared. Scared of offending someone, scared of exposing an ignorance, and just tired of getting beat up around the ears for the sins of their ancestors that they could not control. For Native people, though, there's a whole different thing going on, and other people of color. For there, it's like frustration and anger. Do I really have to explain it again? Is it that hard to understand? Do I really have to wait patiently longer when I don't get to live as long? So you have different challenges. So for the white folk, part of the advice is be brave. Be brave and lean in. It's kind of like there's a certain musculature that gets exercised with racial discomfort. It's getting harder for white folk to avoid racial discomfort, but can still be pretty insulated. Like you can travel the world, someone will speak to you in English. You even buy a house in Costa Rica where the official language is Spanish. You can have a maid staff do the whole real estate transaction all in English, even though the official language is Spanish. There's so many examples. So it's kind of like you've been skipping leg day for a long time, and now someone wants you to go to the gym, and that does not sound good. Especially when they're asking you to go to the gym when everybody's watching and it's your first day doing leg day. Like, are you serious? That sounds not good. To be perfectly honest, if you come to the gym, I cannot promise that it will feel good. It might not. 330 million humans in the United States of America, someone will go sideways sometimes. But if you go to the gym and you keep going, you acclimate to that, and it does start to feel good. Back to the Blackfeet example of what Maslow first saw. It's a chance to connect with community and contribute to community relational health. That if you keep going, you will also get stronger. And then you can do your part of the lift. And we need you to do your part of the lift. I know there are a lot of people who are saying to the stories of America's ugly chapters, please do not disrupt my consciousness with reality. I don't want to hear it. You can't talk about that. Let's purge the Navajo code talkers from U.S. military websites, and let's restore the medals to the people who butchered folks at Wounded Knee. History will judge them harshly, but those folks are dealing with a lot of anger and shame. And it's natural when somebody feels shame and anger to lash out and be defensive. As humans practicing humanity, they need to be held to. And for the Indigenous folk and other people of color, to the questions about do I really have to explain it again or whatever, like we do. We got to show up to the gym too. And sometimes to spot other folks when they're doing their first day at leg day. And when you do, you get a chance to practice humanity, to practice relational health. The diversity is here forever. We're only a couple decades away from the British population being majority people of color. The British population. 30% of the German population is born somewhere other than Germany. There's no way out of diversity. It is our future. It's our present and our future. We must figure out how to get along. The Germans tried to kill all the Jews. And they had one of the richest countries with one of the most well-developed militaries, and they could not pull it off. There is no way to purge diversity from a place like the United States of America, no matter who's running the immigration policy. The majority of the documented kids in this country, documented, are people of color. We must figure out how to get along. There's no way around that.